just like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late.
Hi dolls and gents, I am back with a new video on this wig right here. I'm going to show you exactly how I installed and styled this wig today from start to finish. I want to thank MegaLook for sponsoring today's video. This is my first time working with this brand and I have to say that this wig looks bomb AF. Hairline looks amazing. The fullness of this wig is bomb. The highlights on this wig are everything. This is a balayage wig. They colored this wig. It comes exactly like this. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead, click that subscribe button, hit that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a new video. And if you've been loving all the content that I'm putting out as of late, definitely give your girl a big thumbs up. So if you've been on the hunt for a little bit of color for summer and springtime, then you'll definitely want to stay tuned for this install, y'all. So my wig came with a wig cap, elastic band, eyelashes, and an edge brush. And here's the natural texture of the hair after co-washing it. So here's the inside of the cap. I did add my foundation under the lace. It's a 13x4 frontal. It also has the elastic band, 3 wig combs in the front, 1 in the back, with extra lace in the back if you would like to wear it up in a ponytail. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the wig on my head, get it adjusted to my hairline, and see what we're working with. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and cut 2 slits in the lace, and then we're gonna remove the ear tabs on both sides so I can make sure that the frontal matches my hairline length perfectly. Now it's time to remove the extra lace across the entire hairline, and I'm doing so with an eyebrow razor because it creates a jagged edge. Next, I'm going to use my Ebin Wonder Lace spray in the black container and spray it across the entire hairline and wait for it to get tacky. Once the spray is tacky, I'm going to go ahead and lay my lace down in sections. I like to start in the middle, then work my way to each side. And the lace initially was giving me some issues. I don't know, it wasn't like sticking all that great, but we're gonna get it together. Now I'm taking the Ebin melting spray and I'm tapping it across my entire hairline to help melt that lace further. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pin the hair up and put my elastic band on. And I left my elastic band on for about 15-20 minutes and the lace is now melted, y'all. Let's go ahead and do the baby hairs. I'm gonna do baby hairs on both sides. I'm cutting them pretty short because I don't want any blonde on the baby hairs. I just want the natural color. So I'm gonna go ahead and do probably about like 7 of them in total all around my head, but they're very short and very wispy, so I'm loving that. So I did film this makeup look. You can click the card up top if you want to watch it. But this lace is melted now, y'all. Look at that. It looks so good. I love it. Now it's time to style the hair. I'm going to go ahead and put it in a middle parting. Now I'm going to take my wax stick and spread it across the entire top of the wig, as well as a little bit of spritz, and then we're going to hit it with the hot comb to make it nice and flat. I'm going to curl the hair today, so I'm going to add face framing layers in the front. This is going to really help the hair to sit nice when we curl it. So I'm starting kind of right below my chin and then bringing it down. Now it's time to curl the hair. I'm going away from my face, and this is a regular curling iron, but I'm using it like it's a curling wand. So I'm using gloves because it gets really hot. I think I have it on like 450 degrees, but it makes sure that I get a nice curl that holds all day. So I'm going to do the curls all the way up to the top of my head, and then I shall be back. Once I finish curling one side, I like to go in with hairspray just to freeze it in place. This is my Sebastian Shaper spray. Now you're gonna see me do my other side of my hair in the blink of an eye. There we go. And I'm going to use the hairspray on the other side of my head as well, just to freeze those curls in place. Now it's time to comb out those curls with a wide tooth comb. This just gives it a nice voluminous look, and this is exactly what I was going for. This is why I did add layers, because it just makes the hair look so dang good, y'all. So then I just keep playing with the curls in the hair until I get it in the position that I like. But this is the final look, y'all. So another bomb install, and this wig was just so easy to work with. It looks amazing. I feel like $1,000,000 in this wig, y'all. I think that this color complements dark skin tone really well. Like, if you have been afraid to try blonde, this is the perfect way to incorporate it in. And this is an ash blonde, y'all. I live for like ash blonde, highlighted ash blonde, any kind of ash blonde. I love it. If you're interested in checking out this wig, I will have a link down below to MegaLook's website, as well as any coupon codes that I have for y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I will catch y'all in my next one. Bye. If you have not already watched my Get Ready With Me talk through video on this look right here, where the heck have you been, sis? Go ahead, click the box right here. It's gonna take you straight to it, baby.